Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. And today I'm going to be discussing about blockchain with Python. So we are going to be starting a new batch for blockchain using with Python programming language. You know, Python is a very famous programming language and it is very easy programming language and comfortable programming language for everyone, like a fresher or experienced guys, whatever it may be. The concept is blockchain. This is the highly demanding concept nowadays, technology nowadays. See, all banking sectors or financial banking sectors, all these things are going to be happening with the transactions, right? So those particular transactions are going to be sometime freeze, sometime hacked or sometime freeze. There are so many fluctuations are going to be happening with the regular transactions of banking systems or phone pay, Google Pay, all these things. But when blockchain came into the picture, this is going to be giving the high security for the particular transactions, and this is going to be actually maintaining the different kind of transaction system. For example, there is one corporate, there is one system. In that system some transactions are going to be happening in some real estate or a banking system or some other different kind of systems. So what blockchain is going to be happening with, blockchain is maintaining the ledgers which is going to be having the blocks with all transactions are going to be saved by each and every person. Okay. At the same time, blockchain ledger, whatever it is going to be generating with, could not be hacked by any hacker. Okay. There are some professional hackers which are going to be available. Those professional hackers also cannot able to hack the blockchain transaction ledger. So that kind of technology, now this is emerging technology. Everybody is looking into it. Even BTech people are actually learning it. There is a section which is available in the BTech. Okay, and this MS people are also doing the blockchain MS. So Mohan's Technologies is going to be starting a 45 days online course for blockchain decentralization applications, dApps. Okay, those particular dApps you can able to build with Python programming language in 45 days online course. So Mohan's Technology is going to be a online platform. This is not offline platform. This is online platform, and we are going to be giving the session within 45 days. Will make you people zero to mastery level. Okay, let me explore the content. What is the content we are trying to delivering to you? So the week one, we are going to be giving the foundations of blockchain and Python setup. So no worries. In our Mohansh Technologies, Mohansh IAM trainings, which is going to be available, that YouTube, we are going to be giving all the Python sessions free of cost. Anyway, I will take all the Python concepts, you people, as the fundamentals. Okay, after taking the Python only, I will enter into the blockchain. Okay, so the day one introduction to the blockchain concepts, benefits, use cases. So where blockchain can be utilized in the real world. So the second day two, cryptography basics. I will go with the hashing concept and I go with the keys and signatures, how the signatures are going to be saved, all the things I will explain with you. And day three, yeah, anyway, we have to refresh our Python things. So I teach you Python. Definitely, I'll take 4 to 5 hours for the Python. I'll make you perfect in the Python. Then I'll go for the day four Python libraries for the blockchain like hashlib, ECDCA, and requests and Flask and all. The day five we go with the transactions and blocks and chains, theoretical part. Day six is actually an important session, setting up Python environment for blockchain projects. And again, for this week, we have the mini project, some simple Python blockchain skeleton. We have to build in the week one only, we have to build a simple blockchain mini skeleton project. So I enter into the week two. Then I enter into the week two. In the week two, Building the blockchain core, creating the blocks with Python, block structure, hash linkage, and proof of work concept, Python implementation, mining process simulation with Python, and transactions with wallets, Python implementation, and peer-to-peer networking, all the things basics. Sorry. And day 13, I go with the Flask API for blockchain RESTful APIs. Day 14, I go with the project checkpoint like functional blockchain in Python. In week 3, advanced blockchain development, that is day 15. So the consensus mechanisms, PWO, POS overview, and implementing proof of stake in Python, smart contract introduction, Ethereum overview like EVM accounts, gas concepts, and all. And day 9, Web3.py introduction, connecting Python to Ethereum. And day 20, writing deployment, smart contracts to Solidity plus Python. This is a very, very important day. Day 20 is the very, very important day. And 21 is going to be interacting with the smart contracts via Web3.py. And week 4, in week 4, we have the dApp development, app development starting here in the day 15 only, consensus mechanisms like PWO, POs, overview, implementation, proof of stake in Python, smart contract introduction, and Ethereum overview like EVM accounts, gas, and W3Py introduction, and connecting Python with Ethereum, writing deployment of smart contracts with the small Solidity in Python. And day 21, interacting with the smart contracts via Web3Py. And week 5, we have the DeFi security scaling, introduction to the DeFi Python use cases, building a simple DEX simulation in Python, flash loans, and arbitrage bots in Python, security in blockchain applications, smart contract vulnerabilities, and overview with the red RC overflows. Day 34, we have the unit testing smart contract in Python. So PyTest, Brownie libraries are there. Day 35, we are working on scaling solutions like layer 2, side chains, Python integration. And week 6, advanced topics in use cases like cross-chain bridges, like basics in Python APIs, DOAs, and concept of implementation with Python Web3, blockchain in supply chain, real-world use cases, blockchain with AI integration concepts, blockchain with the cybersecurity applications, auditing smart contracts, tools overview like Slither, Mythux, and preparing Python blockchain project for the deployment. And week 7 is the last week. We have to do the project, guys. So here we have to implement end-to-end project like career opportunities in the blockchain and capstone project, end-to-end blockchain app with Python, and the project presentation review, and how you can get the job with the blockchain and blockchain with Python. So I have to give a very good project, neat project. You people have to develop that project. That is the agenda of the. And one more thing, guys. And Mohansh Technologies actually having a different kind of features. So you compare with different online platforms like Simplilearn, Edureka, and there are I don't say the names, guys. You compare with the other online platforms, but Mohan's Technologies now have one online platform, a dedicated less time course giving area. Why? Because some other people are actually saying like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year kind of things. But we don't want to waste our time like 3 months or 6 months. We will finish course in 45 days exactly. Learn by working, workspace atmosphere, master skills with the real-time worker concepts, practice, still you become the master. Real-time code challenges, anyway, every day we are going to be giving to you. 100% job placement assistance is there. 100% interview preparation is there with coding challenges. Dedicated placement support till you land the job, till you land your dream job. See, the one thing, the Mohan's Technologies actually planned one thing. The student comes into the Mohan's Technology, he want to go with the job one. He achieve the job, then only he will go. That is our agenda. In that way, we are going to be preparing you. In that way, we are going to be assigning, giving assignments to you. In that way, we are going to be making master you. Okay. So, and the thing, one more thing. So finally, thank you for exploring your future of the blockchain. We appreciate your time and interest understanding how blockchain is revoluting industries and securing the digital assets globally. That's all. Okay, fine. But now we try to understand how the job market for the blockchain. Let me try to explore different job marketplaces. Let me open LinkedIn jobs and search for the blockchain. Okay, let me search for the blockchain. Just I am searching for the blockchain. Open the blockchain here. Sorry. So when I search for the blockchain in the LinkedIn is a very good platform for the IT employees. You know that. So all the IT employees available in the LinkedIn, all the HRs, all the managers, everybody is available in the LinkedIn only. So when you search for the blockchain in the LinkedIn, see how many number of jobs which are going to be available. N number of jobs, N number of jobs. And you search in one thing. I will search for Naukri. Wait. If I go for the Naukri, okay, Naukri is the one of the good platform where you can search for the jobs, right? So in Naukri also, I am searching for the blockchain developer. Okay, let me search for the blockchain developer in the Naukri. So I don't give any experience, I don't give any location, just to search for the jobs. Remember, guys, 7,487 requirements are there. Okay, so let me change the experience here. Let me change the experience. If I'm trying to changing the experience, okay, let me give the 4 years of experience. Even 4 years of experience also 3,000 jobs are there. Okay, let me give the 0 to 2 years of experience. Even 0 to 2 years of experience also nearby 2,000 jobs are there. Yes, blockchain development is there for the freshers and blockchain development is there for the experienced people also. Definitely, but you have to give your valuable time, 45 days for us. Then we make you zero to mastery in blockchain development. And coming to the one more job portal, something like Found Data. Yeah, I think so. Found it. Yeah, let me go found it. Search requirements for the Found it. Yes. So in Found it also, I will search for the blockchain. Then we'll see how many job openings which are going to be available for the blockchain. Yes. Yeah, I'm searching for the blockchain developer and found it. I did not give the location, I did not give the experience, and just to search for the blockchain developer jobs. Oh my God. Yes, you can see n number of job. Let me give the experience like 3 years here. Let me give the location. Maybe these people are asking different kind of values. Okay, let me give the values here. Got it. So found it is giving the number of job openings for the blockchain. Again, I will search in the Indeed also. Okay, Indeed.com. If I search in Indeed.com, okay, again I'm giving the keyword called blockchain, just blockchain developer, and find jobs in India. My God, 500 plus jobs. Okay, LinkedIn is okay, but Naukri and LinkedIn, you can see the Naukri and LinkedIn. N number of job postings are going to be available. Indeed is okay. Indeed is okay, giving this number of job opportunities and good number of job opportunities compared to other technologies. If I compare to other technologies, this is giving the good job opportunities. Okay. Anywhere you can apply and better you can go with the job. Even you are fresher or experienced guy, I will make you zero to mastery from LKG standard to master level. So Mohan's technology agenda is completely different. So one student coming or one student step in the Mohan technology, we give the job and we make him better feature. We make him a better career. That is our agenda, but we don't have offline. We are going to be giving online trainings. That is the one concept. And the second concept is time. We don't want to waste the student time. Basically, some other different kind of online platforms are taking 3 months time, 6 months time, 1 year time, like that. But we are not that kind of persons. We make you zero to master in 45 days itself. Definitely. But you be punctual. We are punctual. You have to be punctual. That is the only agenda Mohan's Technology is going to be doing. And one more thing, we are going to be uploading lot of or number of videos in the YouTube channel. So IAM trainings, Mohan's IAM trainings, please go and like, share, subscribe. So I am uploading all the videos in the YouTube channel. Please go and watch, like the video, share the video with your friends and family members, comment the video. If you're not subscribed till now, so far, please subscribe it. Why? Because of if I'm uploading a number of videos blockchain related in the YouTube channel, you have to see it, you have to watch it, you have to get notified. So that is the why reason. Please go like, share, subscribe the channel. So that is the agenda of the Mohan's Technologies blockchain corporates, and we are actually focusing Mohan's Technology only focusing on emerging technologies, not like 2010 C, C++. Still people are actually going like C, C++. Okay, we are not like that. We are having different kind of emerging technologies like quantum computing, blockchain Web3.js, blockchain Python, and AML KYC, and SOC, and we have the PingFederate, Ping Access, CyberArk, different kind of emerging technologies only we are actually choosing, ethical hacking kind of things. So we focus only on emerging technologies. We don't focus on old technologies like the technology which is not having the job openings and all. Whatever the technologies Mohan's Technologies is giving to you, those technologies are only job oriented technologies. Definitely the future technologies. Future, it means next 20 years your job is safe. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching the session. Please like the channel, comment the channel, and subscribe the channel immediately. You will be getting the number of videos for that. If you want to contact Mohan's Technologies, I will open the website mohanstechnologies.com. Yeah, this is the website. So you can inquire for any concept like IAM trainings or quantum computing or blockchain Python, blockchain Web3.js or ethical hacking or different whatever the things. So our website is basically available here. So you can see the website and you can visit the website and you can inquire here. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. See you signing off. I'll meet you in the next video.